But if you're like at 65 and, you know, and it looks viable and you still got a lot of a grid, you know, a big grid search to do, then you can say, okay, yeah, you know, we're going to get to a viable solution here, right? So it just kind of depends, Patrick, but you should be looking for those opportunities to, you know, have the hyperparameters that you can tune on, have the support from your stakeholders, but then also know when to fail fast and say, okay, yeah, this is not looking good. We gotta, you know, we gotta stop. Right? So I hope that helps you answer, Patrick. Alan says, thanks for the answer. I hope it helped, Alan. I'm just spitballing here. Deadlore says, yes, I was in the activity of creating the wrong act. Oh, right. The what do we call that? The wrong answers only game. Yeah, okay. I thought I remembered you from this weekend. Yeah, that was on Saturday. That was fun. Put a 1 in the chat if you were there for the wrong answers only, because that was a fun stream. Put a 0 if you weren't there. That way we can make fun of you. Okay? Just kidding, guys.